miles. D for distance, 10, and
All right, here we are. Captain told us to come downstairs and plot our course. Down below, should say yes. Area. Thank you very much. We're at GPS. We're at 25 degrees, 35. Okay.
Oh, really? Exactly?
25 degrees, 35.
Okay. Which is right here.
so just line it up. You don't have to go parallel to anything at this point.
Okay.
At this point, you're just finding your course.
Oh, okay.
So we draw that line. And now walk it to the middle of the compass race. Hold this tight. Just move it. So we'll go quite a bit, so then you can just take this.
Oh, okay. I see. So 2 and 3/4 miles, 2.75 miles. Right.
Going at about averaging 6 knots.
So we write our distance. Where are we at our distance? On the bottom.
Under.
So we're at 2.75 nautical miles. It's 2.75. It's 2.75. We miss it.
This one.
Okay, so if we're going 6 knots, this will be 10 minutes. It'll be 20.
Have another half hour.
20 to 30, about 20, yeah, 30 minutes. About 30 minutes we should be the entrance. Okay.
Would not be able to do that on my own.
GPS.
Chart plotter. I'm gonna do a heave 2.
here in just south of Miami. Came in here, we did a little docking as you've already seen on the video. But now it is time for the ASA 101 test. Now, I already have my 101. I took it a few years ago, so Twee is taking her test. So you guys, you gotta be quiet. Now it's about 4:30 in the evening. It's real breezy out here. We're just walking around Boca Chica State Park and checking out a lot of these outbuildings. I have to do a little research about Boca Chica. Can't tell you what it used to be or if it used to be anything here. But it's a really, really well-maintained park. Now that could be that since it's so way out here that no one comes here very often, but grass is all mowed, it's very pristine. There's restrooms here. There's no no sinks, there's no water, but they have flushing toilets. So I haven't quite figured out that as to why they have flushing toilets but no sinks. Maybe they're saltwater flush, I don't know. So but yeah, we're just gonna walk around here, show you a few sights. Saw a couple sailboats that are up on the Heart over here. Maybe a couple of Cuban crafts. So we're gonna check those out. And there's a little beach. We'll check out the beach area. Probably pretty windy, so sorry for the wind noise on this video. Just doing this with the phone. But this is really beautiful. This is why we sail. This is great. So here's a couple of the boats I was telling you about when we came in. We saw them, and they're from Cuban refugees. You come over here and you can see how flimsy these things are. I mean, this is pallet wood. You know, this boat was built out of a pallet, and then they tried taking some fiberglass resin and everything like that. Looks like there was even maybe a small engine in here because there would have been a shaft right there. But you know, this is what people are willing to do to leave their country. I mean, you couldn't get me to just even put this in the water and do it right here. Deemed empty. They'll spray paint OK on it. Look, this is a sail. There's a tarp, and logs for the mast and the boom. That's pretty amazing. That's pretty cool. That's someone's taken a lot of time to build that thing.
Just the frame of the boat, and
That's crazy.
just taped. You could see where they taped the newspaper to it, and then they glassed on top of it.
And it made it.
It made it.
It's amazing what they'll do to get out of there.
Yeah, it's yummy. Rice and dinner. Mojitos. Go. Cheers.
Go. Cheers and skull.
Mojitos, aloe vera. Cheers, Cap.
100%. Both of us 101 and 103 certified now, so I'm almost dangerous. All right, time for dinner.
Awesome spring rolls.
On the boat. This is twice now we've had it.
Yeah. Rolls.
Yeah, I've nicknamed these the Eucharist rolls.
Eucharist?
Yes, the body of Christ.
They what?
If you ever go into a Catholic church, this is like what it looks like when they do the body of Christ.
You don't need to do it long. Seriously, just make it
So
slightly.
you soak it a little bit?
Soak it in a little bit of water. It's still going to be a little bit pliable, but you start
This
putting.
isn't plastic. This
Nope.
is. So what are you doing there? You
So
got your.
I put a little bit of lettuce, and then I start piling everything on top of that.
And how do you roll it?
Well, we'll get to that.
Okay. I just want to make sure I don't.
Kind of like how you do your wraps.
Yeah, or like a burrito.
Oh, okay.
And it's stickier, so it actually stays. And then, like I said, we do the sauce inside. And then I brought the sriracha out because I know you like a kick.
So a little of that.
A little of this, a little of that.
You don't want to put too much of that vermicelli because that's filling.
Okay.
So you want to be able to eat more of these rolls.
So a little vermicelli.
And my favorite part of the entire thing, because like I said, I could put this on my shoe
Yeah.
and eat this. I'd eat the shoe if this was on it.
That's good to know.
Oh my gosh.
And then a starve on a life raft. Eat the shoe.
Yep.
So just kind of spoon this on.
Just spoon it on
This
our...
isn't spicy yet, so
Nope.
you got
Not
add
yet.
the other. Is that enough?
Perfect.
I don't add a spicy because I know that he doesn't like it spicy. So.
This you put in now,
Uh-huh.
and then when you dip in the, oh no, the peanut sauce is in it.
Sweet
Oh, right.
Moses.
That's
All right, and then you just pick up an end,
Okay.
just like you're gonna make a burrito
Okay.
or one of your wraps. Roll a little bit,
Roll it.
take in the ends.
It's really pliable. So.
Yeah, I see that. I don't think I've ever seen a wrap like this. They sell it like this?
Usually people, when you get it in the restaurants, they pre-do it for you. You don't make it yourself.
Yeah.